Emva kokuphothula ingqungquthela yokukhetha ubuholi obusha be-DA nebibanjwe ngempelasonto eGauteng, ubuholi obusha baleli qembu buvukele eSoweto namhlanje buyoxhumana nomphakathi wakhona emkhankasweni wabo wokuqala busemsebenzini.
The fact that we are all here the first morning after Congress shows what we are and the kind of DA that we are going to build now. We are going to go to the ground. We are going to go to communities. You heard me say yesterday, the way that we are going to build trust, the way that we are going to win millions of new votes, we are going to earn it through hard work in every community in our country.
Ubuholi obusha bebhambisana noqokwe njengosihlalo we-DA uSoli Msimanga.
We want to do things differently. We are stepping on the shoulders of giants. John, Helen, Lebaba Fitile. Barring, we've built a strong foundation. We've brought you now where you are on par with the ANC. Break that ceiling. Go and grow beyond and be the biggest party in South Africa. And that is our mission, and that's what we are going to do. Amandla! Amandla!
Ilungu lesigungu esiphezulu se-DA uHelen Zille naye ube ingxenye yalo mkhankaso. Uqhakambise ukubaluleka kokuthi abantu bayethembe i-DA.
It is built over a lifetime, this issue of trust. People must know you. They must know that you have only good intentions for them, that the DA is a party that sees every human being for what they are and who they are and wants to give them a fair chance to become the best they can be.
I-DA ihlele ukuhambela nakwezinye izindawo iyokwethula ubuholi obusha beqembu.